Dare to compare Chapter 1, page 4, top of the page, the grammar section. In this grammar section, we'll look at adjectives in the comparative form. But before we do that, we'll take a look at the parts of speech. So here are the parts of speech and their descriptions, and here are a few sentences. So I will first of all look at the pronouns. A pronoun is a word that replaces a name or a thing. So here, Anna is the name of a person. Anna sings well. Well, I could say, she sings well. She is a pronoun that replaces the name Anna. Anna sings well, or she sings beautifully. A verb is a word that shows an action. So in the sentence, Anna sings well, the word sings is the verb because it describes an action. An adverb is a word that describes how a verb or an action is done. So when I say she sings beautifully or she sings well, the word well and the word beautifully are adverbs because they describe the action that Anna does. How does she sing? She sings well. She sings beautifully. So when you can ask a question, the question how to a verb and you get an answer, then this is an adverb. Let's go to the next one, an article. An article is a word that identifies a noun. So when I say she is a good singer, a is an article and it describes the word singer. She's a singer. A noun is a word that describes a person, a place, a thing, an idea. So singer is a noun. It describes a person who sings. In the next element here, a modal auxiliary. A modal auxiliary is a word that adds meaning to a verb. So when I say Anna will sing tomorrow, will is a modal auxiliary that tells me that this action is in the future. It's going to take place tomorrow. Anna will sing tomorrow. Will is a modal auxiliary giving me information on a future action. Sing, and here with the word tomorrow I have the answer. She will sing tomorrow. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. So here, for example, good is a word that describes the noun singer. So when I say she is a good singer, good is an adjective. It describes the word singer. And an adjective is always placed before a noun. She is a good singer. The next sentence, when I say she is a better singer than me, the word better is the comparative form of the word good. She is a better singer than me. So here I'm describing how good she is, how good a singer she is, and I'm comparing her to me. I'm comparing Anna to me. So Anna is a better singer than me. Me is a pronoun okay, and it replaces my name. So that's why I'm using here a pronoun. The pronoun me is an object pronoun because it's after the verb. When the pronoun is before the verb, we call it a subject pronoun. So this completes this little clip.